your Norcast weather update. Brought to you by ACUA, keeping Atlantic County clean and green for a bright future.
And good Saturday afternoon and happy lunchtime here. Meteorologist Bobby Klark with an update on your forecast. Hope your morning was fantastic. If you're out having lunch, it probably will be indoors because right now we see ourselves socked in with some showers and even some embedded thunderstorms out there. But the good news is, just like Caddyshack, I think the heavy stuff is going to hold off. That's some good news out there, right? Temperatures mainly in the 70s across the eastern seaboard. Again, mainly socked in with that mugginess and that humid condition. So that's helping to aid with the showers and storms that are forming out there. And I think could dump a decent amount of rain in a short amount of time. And that's really been the MO these last couple of days. Any kind of shower activity that's popped up or any kind of storm activity, not necessarily a severe issue in terms of tornadoes and hail. It's been dumping a lot of rain in a short amount of time. And the good news is it looks like only a few more hours to go as this trough finally get booted out of here thanks to an upper level low pressure system, pretty strong one in the southern part of Virginia. So we'll definitely take that as we head into tonight on into early tomorrow morning. Temperatures across the area itself, upper 60s to low 70s. That's indicative of the rainfall that we've had so far this morning. So temperature is really not going much of anywhere. But again, the atmosphere is the bigger issue, is the fact that it's humid and muggy out there. That's why any rainfall that is falling is coming down at times in droves. But the good news is less organization with these showers as we head through the rest of this afternoon and becoming more scattered about, and therefore eventually will end as we head. It looks like it'll clear the coast finally as we head into the evening hours themselves. So storms will end by this evening. They'll push on off to the coast, and then we'll see ourselves with mainly cloudy skies for tonight, and with some fog as well, have a northeasterly flow coming off the ocean. So definitely setting up for some foggy conditions for the daybreak hours and much better tomorrow. I know along the shoreline you'll be socked in with some fog and some low clouds. Looks like at least through midday, with even a spritz or two out there, but I think overall we all start to turn much nicer as we head into the afternoon. The key is going to be the fact that we're going to be much less humid and muggy than we've had been for the last 3 or 4 days. Rain chances, obviously, today looks like the better of the chances of seeing that. Only really one other organized chance of rainfall, I think, as we head into Wednesday. It's because we have ourselves a setup of a more warmer, muggier pattern as we head into Monday. A warm front will push through, so Tuesday and Wednesday are going to be some humid conditions, muggy conditions, and as that cold front pushes through during the middle of the week, therefore we could see a chance of maybe seeing some showers and storms before we dry out as we head towards the end of the week and turning much nicer. You're going to like that as we talk about in a couple of minutes. Your exclusive Norcast hour-by-hour forecast for the rest of today. Again, scattered showers and some storms lasting, it looks like at least until closer to sunset, and eventually we'll clear the coastline. We'll stay mostly cloudy for tonight with that patchy fog, but I think we'll certainly take that over this disgusting scattered shower and stormy weather that we've had the last couple of days. So much nicer as we head into the overnight hours tonight, and certainly less humid that we've been dealing with the overnight hours themselves. Speaking of which, 63 mainland, pair of 6s along the shore. So again, mostly cloudy, some daybreak fog because we have that northeasterly flow coming out at 5 miles per hour, gusting to near 10 miles per hour, allowing for ocean temperatures that are going to be warmer than the land temperatures. That's what sets up for the fog. So definitely going to see that as we head through tomorrow morning. Now tomorrow, mix of sun and clouds. We're less humid and nicer. Again, could see a spritz or two or some patchy fog, especially along the shoreline itself. Pair of 7s along the shore, 80 as you head towards the mainland. Again, easterly sustained wind around 8. I think it's going to gust near 15 to 20 miles per hour, especially as we head into the afternoon. I think it will keep, that's why I think it's going to keep the fog and the low clouds socked in for at least a decent portion of the morning and towards midday for the shoreline. But I think we eventually all will see some sunshine as we head towards the afternoon hours. Futurecast, here we go. More scattered showers and storms, but you can start to see we're breaking up here. That's some good news. So we don't have the organized pouring rain that we've had earlier today. So that will continue to push on off to the south and east. And look at this by tomorrow morning. Wow. Yep, some fog left to deal with, but certainly not a soupy atmosphere that we dealt with for the last couple of days. And that will continue to be the case as we head into later in the evening on Sunday on into Monday is probably the best day out of them all, to be honest with you. Low 80s, low humidity, mostly sunny skies. So similar to what Independence Day was this past Monday, we're going to see coming up on this Monday. But a warm front does creep its way into the Great Lakes. That's going to push its way on through here and then eventually give us a return of that south to southwesterly flow, humid conditions, the muggy conditions, and the cold front does finally push through later as we head into Wednesday, and that sets us up for an absolutely gorgeous end of the week into next weekend. Taking a look at the upper air temperatures, we go 5,000 feet above the surface. So overall, see, here's the problem when we talk about these kind of things, and this is really where it kind of tells you the story, because you could see where the trough is right now, just sitting right to our south here, and it's just drawing in all this disgusting moisture that we've had and giving us these periods of every 12 to 18 hours, a chance of maybe seeing some showers and storms out there and allowing them to basically dump on us. But the good news is, as we put this into motion here, you can start to see a push on out of here, and we come ourselves back to where we should be for this time of year. But you can also pick out where the upper level low pressure system will continue to push on off to the south and the east. That's some great news for us, gets out of our hair, and therefore we see ourselves a decent looking day on Monday. But then here comes the warm front pushing on through. That's going to reach the coast as we head into Tuesday, and you can see it's drawing up that heat and that humidity from the south. But then the cold front now is pushing through as we head into the Great Lakes on into the Appalachians as we head into early afternoon on Wednesday, and eventually will reach us as we head into the evening hours, and therefore bring us a decent air mass. Look at this. By the time we hit Thursday morning, it's just going to feel absolutely gorgeous out there, and it will be gorgeous as we head into the end of the week. Speaking of which, temperatures, I mentioned, I think the best day of the week is going to be Monday. 83 degrees, low humidity, low 80s. But then the warm front pushes through and it pushes our temperatures up to near 90 degrees. We'll certainly feel 90, even to closer to 100 with the humidity inland. But then look what happens. Cold front pushes through Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Looking amazing out there. Temperatures will be where they should be for this time of year. Low humidity. A warm front does push through on Sunday. That's why I think we'll be clouded up for most of the day, and therefore turning our temperatures much warmer as we head into Monday. Have a great afternoon, everybody. I'll see you later.